For f of x as given, use interval notation to write the domain of f. F of x equals the square root of 6 minus 3x. When we have the square root of an expression, the numbers that will not be in the domain are the numbers that are less than 0, that make this expression less than 0. So the numbers that make 6 minus 3x greater than or equal to 0 will be in the domain of f. To solve, we subtract 6 from both sides, and we get negative 3x is greater than or equal to negative 6. If negative 3x is greater than or equal to negative 6, dividing both sides by negative 3 and reversing the direction of the inequality symbol would give us x is less than or equal to 2. So all x that are less than or equal to 2 will be in the domain of f. Using interval notation, this gives us the interval from negative infinity to 2, including 2.